Okay, today I'm going to make mushroom or khumbi ki sabji. So, but first tell me, are you a mushroom lover? If yes, then I hope you will like this recipe. So, okay, well, this is very easy to make. And for this recipe, we need mushrooms. I have 1.5 pound of mushrooms here, which I use the whole mushroom, so I just slice these, not too thick, not too thin, just medium. Slice these the pieces, and I have 2 large tomatoes chopped, then 1/4 cup oil, and 2 Serrano peppers, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, a teaspoon of red crushed pepper, a teaspoon of salt, then a handful of cilantro. And if you are using whole mushrooms, then you have to cut it this way. Let me show you. Like I use the whole mushroom, so just remove this part. We don't need this part, because when you cook this part, it's really very chewy, it's not good, and so you can remove this part. And now just slice the mushroom. Yeah, you see, not too thick, not too thin, this size slice. Okay, now let's start making the mushroom sabji. Okay, I'm using a big pan for it, but when mushrooms release water, they become, they shrink. So, but I don't have any other pot to make these right now, so I'm using a big pan. But you don't need this big pan. A medium-sized pan is good. Okay, now in the pan, flame is high, so here goes 1/4 cup of oil, and now once the oil is heated, I will add ginger garlic paste. Just saute it for just 30 seconds. It smells good. So now I'll add mushrooms. Just saute the mushroom for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add tomatoes. And Serrano peppers. Just break them in two. Now we will cook it till the tomatoes become soft and they become, blend well with mushrooms. They bind well with mushrooms. It's maybe like 5 minutes. And they also release water. Mushroom and tomatoes, they will release water. And in the same water, they become soft. As you can see, after 5 minutes, tomatoes and the mushroom, they release the water. Now we will cook these till the water dries. But at this stage, just add the chili pepper flakes and salt. So I'll just dry the water and we'll meet you when the water dries up. As you can see, the water is almost dried up and the oil is start separating from this gravy. Now at this point, add these kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves. What a nice smell. Smells so good. So our mushroom sabji is almost ready. I'll say it's ready. So I'm just going to add cilantro leaves in it and then it's done. Okay, so I turned off the flame and it's done. Can't wait to taste it. Okay, now let me taste it and I tell you How is it? It's hot. It's yummy. Oh, it's yes, yummy. So now, if you like mushrooms, just go and try this recipe, and I'm sure you'll like it.